Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Healthy Food Recipes. Today, I want to talk to you about olives and the many health benefits they offer. Olives have been enjoyed for centuries and are known for their delicious taste and versatility in cooking. But did you know that they also offer a range of health benefits? Let's take a closer look. 1. Olives are packed with healthy fats. Olives are high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are considered good fats. These fats are important for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. In fact, research has shown that a diet rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats can help to lower bad LDL cholesterol and raise good HDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. 1. Olives are a great source of antioxidants. Olives contain a range of antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenols. These antioxidants help to protect the body from oxidative stress, which can lead to inflammation and disease. Polyphenols, in particular, have been linked to a range of health benefits, including reduced inflammation, improved heart health, and reduced risk of certain cancers. 1. Olives may help to reduce inflammation. Olives contain a compound called oleocanthal, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation is linked to a range of diseases, including arthritis, cancer, and heart disease. By reducing inflammation, oleocanthal may help to lower the risk of these conditions and improve overall health. 1. Olives are a good source of iron. Olives are a good source of iron, which is important for maintaining healthy blood cells and preventing anemia. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen throughout the body, and a deficiency can lead to fatigue, weakness, and other health problems. By including olives in your diet, you can help to meet your daily iron needs and improve overall health. 1. Olives may support digestive health. Olives contain fiber, which is important for maintaining digestive health. Fiber helps to promote regular bowel movements and can also help to reduce the risk of colon cancer. In addition, olives contain compounds that may help to support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which can further improve digestive health. And there you have it, 5 health benefits of eating olives. Whether you enjoy them on their own or as part of a dish, olives are a nutritious and delicious addition to any diet. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack or ingredient, consider reaching for some olives. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more healthy food recipes and tips.